Hello, 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 and welcome. I'm Sherry Bridger of Hip the Hoopla. Welcome to the World Hoop Day Dance. This is the World Hoop Day Dance for 2021 to Hoop It Up. The original song is available for download at SoundCloud. This is video 2. This is the chorus choreography. The great news about this is there are 16 counts to this and it repeats a bunch of times. So this is going to be awesome. Let's get started. So just to give you a heads up, the first video is the whole choreography in its entirety. The second video is this video of the chorus. If you learn just these 16 counts, you're going to have over half of the dance just by doing this because this repeats over and over again. So this is going to be awesome. Okay, so it's 16 simple counts. So the first counts that you actually do are going to be doing a free form solo. So there will be 32 counts that you will be moving around to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you are all the moves to this dance are beginner, mostly beginner, a tad of intermediate moves, but if you want to do more intermediate or advanced moves, you are welcome to put that at the beginning. There is about 20 seconds at the beginning and about 20 seconds at the end of the song that you can do whatever the heck you like. So if you want to choreograph your own bit to that, or you just want to free flow it around. If you are a beginner and you don't quite know what to do, just move through poses. It's a nice slow song, so you don't have to do anything extravagant. Just have some fun with it. So do 32 counts of your own to begin with. What you're going to do is you're going to end up in a standing position facing your audience, facing forward with your hoop in your right hand. Thumb is going to be up. The pinky is going to be in towards the body. So you're going to do, so the first counts are going to be a belt weave in the right hand. And I'm going to do this facing forward and facing backward. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's break that down a little bit further. So in the right hand, you're going to be taking this in a belt weave. So pinky lead, and pinky is going to go from the right side to the left side behind your back. So behind your back. So you're going to go up and then swing around, and then he's going to come back over and swing around this way. So this is what it looks like from the back. You're going to swing back and then swing and twist and come back out. So your hand is staying in the same position. So thumb is always going to be up and your pinky's leading. So pinky, lead, and out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then wrap. 5, 6. You're going to grab undersided with the pinky facing up. 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's a little bit of a sidewinder. So as you wrap the hoop with your right hand around your left shoulder, and then you're going to grab at the bottom here. So you're going to grab, make sure to grab this pinky so that you can pull out and extend out right there. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, from there, you're going to take the hoop and it's going to be in your left hand. Thumb is going to be facing up, and you're going to take this over the right shoulder and pop that right hip as well. So tap the hoop on your right shoulder behind your back. 1, 2, and then onto your left hip. 3, you're going to twist and wrap with around the left hand over the right shoulder, grab through the hoop, and you're going to do a little hinge. You're going to actually do a little body roll. That's going to be your 4. So you're going to come forward, up on the toes, and sit back down on bent knees for that 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to let that go as you're going to wrap. You're going to hinge this around the left, so straight around to the back. Let go with the right. Bring this down behind the back, and you're going to grab with the hand like so that you can do this all over again. Yes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to show you that from the back one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can twist a little bit with this as well. So we would do this a little bit faster without the music, and then we'll do it with the music. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so shall we try it with the music? Now I'm going to try it with the intro part here. So that's going to be a little bit longer with the intro part. So you work with me on this one. So you're just doing your own thing here, whatever the heck you want to do. You can do poses, you can do fancy tricks like you want. But whatever you do, you're going to do, get right here and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Let's try that one more time from the top. Well, almost from the top. So the first 20 seconds are going to be your intro. So I'm just going to do a little lead in, and I'm going to do this from behind now. All right, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just learned the beginning. That's it. That's everything. All right. The music is available as a download from SoundCloud. I have the link in the description. So I hope that you've enjoyed that. And we will see you on the next video, which will be number 3. And that will be the first verse. There will be 32 counts of that. There will be another video following that with 32 counts of the second verse. You've already the chorus, so we're just going to keep throwing that in, and then the end part is that free flow. So you've already learned over half the dance just from this video. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this. Go practice, go learn it. Yeah, let's do it. All right, rock on, peace out. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, and yeah, let's do this. Rock on.